Greeting, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. What you're looking at is the last of those 6 motors that arrived yesterday. So I have repaired all of them, including this one. Now, I didn't think I would have any parts for this. It was missing, the contactor wire was off, and it was missing one of the gears. But if you look at these gears, they are standard intermediate gears off the steam locomotive. So of course I have these in the box. So I pulled the wheel off, installed that gear, and as you see, this motor is up and running absolutely perfectly. It's running like new. Now I had to replace the brush plate on this. The brush plate was just absolutely worn out, and the armature was just bouncing around up and down. That's why it was jammed. It wouldn't run. So in any case, I've just got this spliced for now, as you see. But the new brush plate is installed. The gear is installed. The contactor is back on the contactor wire is back on the contactor. The E-unit, as you see, is working splendidly in this motor. This is its first trip on the rail. I just got this finished. So 6 motors arrived broken, all of them are running. So that just goes to show what you can do with Marx motors. If you have a supply of parts, a way to pull the wheels off and press them back on, you can fix anything you can find. So this old motor is up and running. It has a tab and slot coupler on it. Let's go ahead and put this on the rail and we'll pull a consist with it, see how it actually runs. So let's see how this goes. I got it on the tin litho rail, of course. Zoom, zoom. So as you see, that motor is running absolutely perfectly. Okay, let's stop it there. And it's running backwards. So the E-unit is working perfectly on this. So I swapped out the brush plate, installed a gear, reconnected the main contactor, and this old motor is up and running. This is a big, heavy motor. Anyway, I was really surprised. I don't work on diesels. So I was really surprised that those 2 gears were identical to standard intermediate gears on the standard Marx single and double reduction motors, or single reduction motors. As you see, it's just a standard intermediate gear. Anyway, this one was missing. And the brush plate was just absolutely worn out. So I went through my box and found a brush plate that actually had a bearing in it, as you see, rather than just plastic. And it was perfect for this application. Absolutely perfect, as you can see. This old motor is running just absolutely splendidly. It's quiet, it's smooth, it has plenty of power, no doubt about that. So anyway, I'll put it back on this consist and we'll take it around. I'll get this finished up. I gotta solder all my connections. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this old motor. As I said, this is 6 for 6. All 6 of them are running. That's running absolutely splendidly. So anyway, I'll get this finished up. What I'm going to do with it, again, I have no idea. I don't run a lot of diesels, that's for sure. But it's a nice old motor. New gear, new brush plate. Thing's running just absolutely perfectly. It hasn't had a whole lot of runtime. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video. I'm derailed there, I think. There we go. That's better. All right, anyway, just wanted to do a quick video on the 6th motor. Like I said, I didn't even know I had the parts for it. I don't work on diesels enough to know that it took standard intermediate gears. Anyway, as you see, it runs absolutely splendidly. So, always nice to take some old junk motors and bring them back to life. So all 6 of them are running, as you see. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on these. I wanted to get this done tonight, and I did it. So all 6 motors are running. It was a lot of fun doing this. It gave me something to do. I've been working on motors all day today. Anyway, as you see, it was well worth my time. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.